Hi, my name is Michaela and I am a small business owner here in Houston, Texas. I kind of have to give you a little bit of information on my journey as an entrepreneur. I've been doing this for over 10 years. It's a long, hard process, and I have worked with a lot of marketing agencies who are kind of chasing a dollar. They're very collaborative. They're a group of people who I feel like treat my business as their own. They're not in the business of being people pleasers. Oftentimes, I'll have my way of thinking that something should go, but you also have to really trust the experts, and they are the experts in their field. This is an investment in your business, but also an investment in your life. Your business is your life, and a lot of people I feel like kind of don't take it as seriously, but they do. They take your business as if it is their own business. Anytime I have a question or a concern about anything, they get to it right away. We had a phenomenal Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I know that they're up past, when I'm going to sleep. It's nice to know that you have a growth partner. It's really nice feeling like there's somebody else looking out for you behind the scenes. I will honestly say at first, when I initially worked with them, I was like, I don't know if I can do this. It's a little costly, but honestly, it was the best decision that I ever made, and I'm glad that I got my stuff in order, because honestly, the value that they provide far exceeds what they can give. If you're looking for somebody who goes out of their way to research your business, to make sure that they can work for you, and if you don't work with them, I'm trying to find an appropriate word for a testimony. Really, honestly, it's your loss. Genuinely. Do not walk, run.